Hey guys, my name is Brandon. I'm with Vengeance Racing. In this video, we're going to give you a brief overview and tutorial on how to use your new HP Tuners device. When you purchase an MPVi2 device from us, there will usually be 3 items in the box. The first is going to be the main HP Tuners dongle, and this end will plug into the vehicle's diagnostic or OBD2 port. You will have a USB cable. One end will obviously plug into the HP Tuners cable, and the other will plug into your laptop. HP Tuners also provides you with a USB drive, and within this USB drive is going to be all the downloads, drivers, and software for the device itself. You will simply plug this into your laptop and follow all prompts associated with installing this software on your laptop. It's imperative that this is done, as the device will not work without the drivers installed. HP Tuners is a very powerful device that allows great data logging, the troubleshooting of diagnostic trouble codes, and overall allows you to just read and write tunes that we may provide to you. Guys, as a secondary option, if for whatever reason the USB drive that is provided in your HP Tuners kit does not have the appropriate drivers and software, we can always come over here to hptuners.com and head over to the downloads section, which will be found up here in the top tab, and you will see the VCM Suite and VCM Suite Beta downloads. So we'll need to download 2 things. This is going to be the software. My recommendation would be to use the latest stable version. So we'll click download that, and then we will also need to come down here and download the MPVi2 drivers.